Now, has this ever happened to you? You're typing a document on your Windows laptop, or maybe you're posting a comment on social media, or maybe you're creating your email signature and you're trying to find that TM or an R in a circle symbol for a registered trademark or a copyright symbol, and you get so frustrated because you can't find them anywhere on your keyboard, right? So you go out there, you ask around, maybe you Google, you find them eventually, but the next time you need to use them, you go through the same process all over again because you can't remember that. My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and I've used these characters probably thousands of times throughout my career. So I created the short video that's going to show you exactly how to find these characters on your Windows laptop that does not have a numeric keypad. So if you've got a Windows laptop or any other Windows computer without a numeric pad on the keyboard, here's how you access the characters. First, you press the Windows key on your keyboard. It brings up the Start menu. You start typing character map, and once it shows up there, just click it to open it up. When it appears, click on where it says Advanced View. Once you click there, it will open up a few extra options. And where it says Group By, change all to Unicode subrange. And when you do that, it would open up another dialog, and it will default to Latin. So if you want to find the TM symbol, you would change it to letter-like symbols first, and you will see the TM symbol right there. So double click it, it would add it to this field where it says characters to copy, and when it gets there, you press select and copy, and there you go, you can paste it back into your document. If you're trying to get the R in a circle symbol, you have to pick general punctuation in the Group By dialog. Again, here it is, R in a circle, double click it, and then select and copy. And for copyright symbol, same general punctuation. Here it is, double click it, select and copy, and then you're done. Now, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, make sure you share it with a friend who may need this as well. And by the way, if you're using a different platform, maybe you have a Windows computer with an extended keyboard that has a numeric pad, or maybe using a Mac, maybe using an iPhone, or maybe you're using an Android, we have videos for that as well. And by the way, we also have a free tool that you can use regardless of the platform. It works with Windows, it works with Mac, it works with iOS, it works with Android, works everywhere. So if you want to use that, just go to tmf.rocks/type. TMF stands for Trademark Factory, so tmf.rocks/type. Just go there and use the tool for free. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.